You spend a lot of time thinking about your helicopter, your operations, and your budget. Simplify your operations and increase your availability with the new Customer Advantage plans. Choose one of two comprehensive plans, the Standard Plan or the Premier Plan. Both plans save you money with complete DMC protection, residual value protection, and streamlined budgeting. Customer Advantage plans allow you to fly more with the assurance of complete aircraft coverage, increased availability, and local CSF rate benefits. Know your costs, protect your investment, experience the advantage. To learn more, contact your local sales representative or email cap@bh.com.